Hey everyone, it's Akos from MagSafe-compatible. Probably you know already I tested a lot of chargers and accessories, but this one is caught my attention. This is the new UGREEN 2-in-1 magnetic wireless charger. It's compact, foldable and fully G2 certified, which means it can fast charge the latest iPhones at up to 25 watts wirelessly. On top of that, it can power your AirPods and even your Apple Watch at the same time. Sound almost too good for something that folds up into a little cube, right? Well, let's take a closer look. Let's start with the unboxing. So inside the box you've got the charger itself, a USB-C cable for powering it up and some paperwork. Nothing crazy, but honestly the star here is the charger. First impressions? It's super compact, folded down, it almost looks like a little travel cube. That's a big win if you carry your tech around a lot, because you don't need to worry about bulky stand or tangled cables. Now let's speak a bit about the design and the build. When you unfold it, you instantly feel it's well built. UGREEN used heat-resistant PC materials and a strong zinc alloy hinge with a weighted base, so it doesn't wobble on the desk. The hinge tilts up to 70 degrees, giving you plenty of flexibility for different viewing angles. Whether you're on FaceTime, scrolling through socials, or watching a YouTube video while your phone charges. And because it's Gi2 certified, it also supports Apple Standby mode, so when you place your phone sideways at night, you get that big clean display with the time, photos or widgets. It basically doubles as a smart bedside clock. Now let's start charging, because that's where this thing stands out. With G2 you're getting true 25 watts wireless charging on the iPhone 16 and iPhone 17 series, as long as you are on the iOS 26 or newer. For older iPhones like the 12 through 15, it's capped at 15 watts, which is still fast compared to the older MagSafe chargers. In my test, I went from 0 to about 50% in just 30 minutes on the iPhone 16. And the 2-in-1 part is key here. It charges two devices at once. So while your iPhone is pulling 25 watts, you can drop your AirPods on the base for 5 watts. And there's even a little extra USB-C port on the back if you want to plug it in your Apple Watch or another accessory at 5 watts. So really, it's like a mini travel charging station. The magnetic hold is also very strong. UGREEN used 16 N48H magnets with about 7 N of force. Once the phone snaps on, it's not going anywhere. You can even give it a little shake and it stays locked. That's really useful if you are tapping away on your phone while it's charging. And of course, UGREEN had the thermal guard temperature control, so there are real-time sensors inside monitoring heat. If things ever get too hot, it automatically protects both the charger and your phone. You get peace of mind, especially if you charge overnight. And this thing is really shine at daily life. At the desk, it keeps my phone upright for quick notification and calls while charging. For travel, the foldable cube design makes it perfect for business trips or commuting. And at night, it's ideal on the bedside table, especially with Apple Standby mode, where you can turn on your iPhone into a smart clock or photo frame while it charges. So after a week using it, I can honestly say the UGREEN MagFlow 2-in-1, it's one of the most versatile chargers I tried. It's compact, it's powerful with 25 watts G2 charging, and it's clearly designed with Apple users in mind. If you're someone who owns both an iPhone and AirPods, or just want a clean all-in-one charger for travel and home, this one is a solid pick. And you can grab it right now from the UGREEN official website or in the Amazon. I'll drop both links in the description. And at the moment it's very good discount, so definitely worth to check it. And again, a huge thanks to UGREEN to sending me this sample out. It was a pleasure to test it, and I definitely will use it from now on. So this was Akos from MagSafe-compatible, and I'll catch you in the next video.